so here, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing our nighttime routine video or kasi part sila ng nighttime routine ko kasi every night nandito siya. So, our nighttime routine. When I did my shower routine video, I asked you guys to like the video if you want me to do the nighttime routine or like comment on that video if you want me to do it. And a lot of you guys actually wanted me to do this. So, yeah, I actually haven't filmed it yet. I will film it pagkadating na dan. So, yeah, pero hapon na ngayon. This is the start of my morning routine. No, not morning routine. This is the start of my nighttime routine. It is now 4:30. So yeah, ngayon magsisimula ang nighttime routine ko. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so after ko i-film yung intro at saka outro nitong video na to, enough ko yung mga studio lights ko, and then go back to work. So, tinransfer ko lang yung mga files galing sa memory card to my laptop para pwede ko na siyang ma-edit. So, yan yung ganap. And then, kasi tapos na ako mag-film, nagpalit na ako ng pajamas. Yung top na lang yung papalitan ko. And then, go back to work again. Edit, 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 edit. Walang katapusang edit. Sobrang dami kong in-edit na videos. But, yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. And then, tumawag si Dan. Sabi niya, malapit na daw siya umuwi. Hi, babe. And then, maya-maya lang maghe-hello na yan kasi dumating na nga. Hi, babe! He's here. I'm vlogging, babe. Hello.
I love it.
Oops! Lipstick.
That's alright.
How's your day?
Good.
Yeah?
Good.
It's a brown, reddish-brown lipstick as well. Sorry. Tapos, since tapos na ako mag-film, gusto ko pagpahingahin yung mata ko sa contacts. So, I remove my contacts. Maraming nagtanong about dito sa contact lenses na case na to. Ano siya? Kasama siya sa solution na gamit ko ngayon. Ito yung AO Sep Plus. So, lalagay ko siya sa case. Pupunuin mo lang siya hanggang sa line. And then, ipapasok mo yung contacts mo. And then, lilinisin niya yung contacts mo overnight. So, it needs to stay there for at least 6 hours. And sobra, ito yung pinaka-paborito kong solution. Kasi nalilinis niya talaga ng bongga yung contacts. And then, tinatanggal ko rin yung makeup ko. Since meron akong mascara today, tinanggal ko siya using my Celitech Cleansing Oil. Maganda to pang tanggal ng waterproof na mascara. So, kapag may natira pa na space sa cotton pad, ginagamit ko siya sa eyebrows ko, tapos sa lips ko din. And then, I wash my face na I use the Vanish Cleanser na nakita nyo na to sa shower routine ko. And then, I just wash my face. After that, naglagay ako ng toner. And then, sa gabi, yung cream or serum na gamit ko is yung Sephora Wrinkle Fighting Super Serum. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong serum na to. And then, of course, yung Garnier BB Eye Roll-On ko kasi wala lang. Given na talaga yan. Lagi ko na talaga siya na-apply sa under eyes ko. And then, tonight, si Dan ang nagluto. Yung niluto niya is yung kanyang pasta with white sauce. Kailangan mo is ravioli pasta. Actually, depende sa'yo. You can use ravioli or whatever pasta you like. Thickened cream, tapos onion, avocado, mushroom, and then bacon. So, chinap ko lang yung bacon and then dinice ko yung mushroom. And then, ito na si Dan nangungulit. Hindi niya alam na nag-film ako.
Your hands are too little. Look at that, just like ding, ding, ding. Isn't that a nice ring, princess?
It's beautiful.
It is. A beautiful ring for a beautiful girl.
Ah.
And when I find that girl, I'm gonna give it. I'm just kidding.
You know that I'm filming?
Oh, really?
Now they can't see your face. Okay, so first thing is maglagay ng oil sa pan. Tapos, naglagay siya ng bacon. And then, naglagay siya ng onion. I know kung ako to, unahin ko yung onion. Pero hindi ko recipe to eh. Recipe niya to. So, yun yung kanya. And then, naglagay siya ng mushroom. Lulutuin mo lang yung mushroom at saka yung bacon. Pag luto na yan, ilalagay mo yung cream. Inubos niya yung malaking cream. Tapos, nilagay niya yung avocado. So, yes, dinice ko din yung avocado. Lagay niya lang dyan. And then, let this simmer for, actually, hindi ko alam ko ilang minuto. Kasi, ano lang to eh, parang timing lang talaga. Pero, kapag na-simmer mo na siya, ilalagay mo yung egg. Tapos, imimix mo siya just to make sure na maluto yung egg. And then, he added mozzarella cheese. Hindi ko to napakita sa ingredients kanina, pero you will need mozzarella cheese. And then, luto na yung pasta. So, nilagay na niya sa sauce. And ito yung dinner namin, you guys. This is so yummers. And nakita nyo naman, simple lang siya. So, bongga. And then, I prepare the table for dinner. So, minove ko lang tong kanyang maliit na furniture dito. Prepare our drinks, and then get our dinner. And then, it's dinner time, yummers. Pagkatapos ng dinner, time to, of course, ligpit, linis. So, ako yung nagligpit ng table, tapos si Dan naguhugas ng plato. Hindi like every night, pero most of the time, siya talaga naguhugas ng plato kapag gabi na. And then, that's me editing a video. Actually, malapit na siya matapos at this point. Tapos, pagkatapos niyan, nihintay ko na mag-save siya, and while nihintay ko na ma-save siya, kinukulit ko si Danny Boy. Okay, so before matulog, toothbrush. Tapos, I apply this Revita Lash. It's a lash serum, so it's supposed to help your lashes grow longer and thicker. So, nilalagay ko siya every night. Or like kapag naalala ko. Pero yeah, as much as possible, nilalagay ko siya every night. And then, I also apply my Popo ointment na I keep sa aking bedside table. Kasi nilalagay ko talaga siya as in every night talaga. Ito yung hindi ko talaga nakakalimutan. And that's basically it sa nighttime routine naming dalawa. Tulog na kami. Good night! And that's basically it for my nighttime routine video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know kung ano pa yung mga routine na gusto nyong i-film ko. Like, ano pa bang routine yung meron dyan? I already did my skincare, my shower routine, my morning routine. Ano pa bang routine yung meron? Pero let me know if you have any ideas kung gusto nyo gawin ko anong routine yung naisip nyo. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one tomorrow. Do not forget vegan. Bye!